Crested lark, or Corydalis plant. The crested lark is a perennial plant native to the mountainous regions of China, and the leaves are deeply cut into narrow ferny segments, and the red flowers are borne in dense clusters at the tops of the stems. The plant blooms in the spring before the tulips, and the plant grows to about 12 inches and maybe spread out to about 18. And the crested lark prefers moist, well-drained soil and partial shade. It is hardy in zones 5 to 8. And I don't give these plants any special care, as I don't start watering until after May unless it is very unusually hot. And I got these plants from in an assortment of wildflowers from Brecks. And these are early, nice early spring flowers for about 5 or 6 days in the spring in the early spring before the tulips. And I think these clusters, they increase a little bit every year.